If you're a DIY and looking for help on your French drain, your footer tile, foundation drain, downspout drain, sign up for our live help. I promise you that I can answer any question you have, help with project planning. If you have a plan, I can tell you right away if that will work. I can give you a materials list and so much more. So tomorrow is Sunday, February 18th, and I will have Zoom on from 8 a.m. until 12 noon. You can use the description box below or go to the website and sign up. Get the help you need. Sign up online. Here's a short video on how to core drill that foundation wall, bringing your pipe up from the sump pump and out through the wall.
So while those guys are digging the pit and removing the soil, we're going to go ahead and use our hammer drill with a 2-inch diamond core bit to core this foundation wall. And the way that we find the measurement for that is we're 6 bricks over. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we want to don't go too high. We want to be down here at this level. So I already put an X there. We want to go right through the center of this brick. And this will be for the discharge of the sump pump. We'll bring the 1.5-inch pipe out, go down into the ground, and we're just going to discharge it, right out here into the yard. So let's get started.
We're using a Bosch hammer drill with a 2-inch diamond core bit, and this makes it like butter. I mean, I'm just going to let it run, and you'll see we'll get right through here in less than a minute. You can rent this tool from most good tool rentals. This is the proper way to bring that water up from the sump pump out through your foundation wall. You really need a hammer drill to do this. This is a solid brick. It is 4 inches thick, and you can see the hammer drill's working its way through. In just a few seconds more, we're going to be all the way through, and then we can slide our 1.5-inch pipe right through this hole. It is an exact fit. 2-inch outer diameter is what the 1.5-inch pipe is, and it fits perfectly into this hole.
So make real quick work of coring that brick. You can see we're all the way through. You can see Chuck in there digging. This is where we're going to put our 1.5-inch PVC. Great tool, Bosch hammer drill. You can rent this at any Home Depot or tool rental, about 40 bucks for 4 hours. And then of course they charge you for that diamond core, but it's like 9 bucks. It'll sure make your life easy. Okay, so with your core drilled through the foundation, here's your 2-inch hole. That is the exact outer diameter of our 1.5 inch. We can slide this right through. You can see it goes through there really easy, in and out. And what we'll do is go inside, we'll plumb the sump pump from the pit up and make the connection inside, come out, we'll cut this off, goes down into the ground, and basically we're just going to discharge out here into this natural area.
Get the help you need. Sign up online tomorrow, Sunday, February 18th from 8 a.m. until noon. Zoom is available for all the DIYs that really want help with their project.